Are you a beautiful person that is smart, precious, amazing, kind, caring, and overall a great friend? Yet, you still think you are bad and not good for this world and that no one actually likes you. You let the inner demons take control of your life and lead you to say and do things you know are bad and not true. This is the slipper of common sense, and it will show you the strength you have to stand up to those demons. You are strong. You're a soldier. So be strong and show them who's boss. Just know you are an amazing person. Thank you for listening.